guys, and welcome back again to my channel. So if you are new here, my name is Ginny. Thank you for tuning in for today. So in this video, I really want to share with you guys my Yves Rocher package. Package. Okay, so this package here, I got it some days ago and I quickly ran to unbox it because ever since I joined Yves Rocher brand since 4 years ago, I haven't gotten this. This is my very first time of laying my hands on this, like my very first time of getting this. All right, so I got this, I unboxed it hoping that it will look like this picture right here, but no, it was another thing. This is how it looks like, and I was so nervous and I was reluctant to, kind of unbox it or share it with you guys, but I just decided, no, let me just go ahead again and share it with you guys. So let me take you guys to why we are here. So this is my Calendrier de l'Avent of the year 2021 from Yves Rocher. Like guys, this pack here worth 165 euros, but here I am getting it for free. Oh my god, this is what you get when you become a member or a consultant in Yves Rocher. Like guys, there is 24 pieces, different kind of products in here. I'm gonna put the picture again so that you guys will see it. So let me go ahead to open it before we start the unboxing. When you open it, this is how it's gonna be. Oh my god, this is it guys, and this is the ordinary carton, which make me angry thinking that everything is inside, not knowing that it's in this package like this. So this is how everything looks like, and I was so excited. Like I was pretty excited to get this. Yay! So this is how this gorgeous package looks like. Oh my god, this is so pretty. So the unboxing starts immediately. So I'm gonna first of all open this one here, and again open this one. So these are the products inside here. There are 24 pieces. So I'm gonna start with the product number 1. So the product number 1 is this right here. This is how product number 1 looks like, and this is organic camoline from our field for sorted skin in 10 minutes. And I'm gonna go ahead inside. Oh my god, inside you get this is what you get inside. It's not even that much. It's it's so cute though. It's kind of you can even use it to do a gift to a friend, like give a friend something like this. Okay, so this is how it is. The product number 2 is this right here. I'm gonna bring it back guys. So this is the product number 2, and what is this is natural shine for hair. Natural shine for hair. This is so cute. Oh my god, let me see what is inside. Wow, this is so beautiful guys. This is so cute. Just look at that. It's so beautiful. So I'm gonna go back again and put it inside here. So over to product number 3. Product number 3, I can't find it. Can someone show me product number 3? Oh yeah, here it is. So product number 3, this is mythical oil and flower, and this is product number 3. Let's see what is inside of this guy. Wow, this is so pretty. This is so pretty guys. I love this. Oh my god, this is body lotion. This is body lotion. Like, no need for me to order again body lotion. I already got it here. So I'm gonna go again ahead with product number 4. This is product number 4, and this right here is cleanse and glow without shining. So let me open it. This is how it is. So this is pure argan 2-in-1 makeup remover. That's nice. I have this, but I have it in the big size, but no problem. That's great. That's good. That's fine. No wahala. So this is product number 5 here. So over here we have gentle repair for winter. Wow, that's great. But I think it's shampoo. It's shampoo for hair. That's hair shampoo. That's great. It's like they know I need this. So product number 6 is oh my god. Okay, I got it. So number 6 is a reindeer smile for the holiday. Oh my god, that's the lipstick, guys. It's a full lipstick. Cute. This is so cute. And the 7, yeah, I found it. So number 7 is a delicious shower gel with orange and chocolate fragrance. This is it, and I'm gonna go ahead to open it. So this is, I think, shampoo. Okay, this is also shampoo. That's number 7. So over to product number 8. Number 8 product is a brace from the sea. This is the package. Oh, that's perfume. Oh, but is the, I think the little one is a little perfume. So number 9 is this right here. This is a wave of oxygenation for skin. That's product number 9, and I'm gonna go ahead to open it. So this is it, and this right here is cleansing gel. It's for face. Yeah, it's for skin combination. Awesome. They're cute anyways. So 10. So this is product number 10, and this is the apricot kernel for powder and smooth, something like that. I think if you guys can read it. So, and this is for what? Oh, but body scrub again, guys. That's great. This smells so good. So this is 10. 11. I'm looking for product number 11. Okay, I found 11. That's 11 here. This is 11 product 11. So this is the strength of the earth and sea. This is mini, so small. It's so small. And this, let's go to product number 12. This is product number 12, and this is a delicious shower gel with a sweet blackberry. So it's a shower gel. This is how it looks like. So 13, product 13 is here. This is committed and colorful, guys. This is product 13, committed and colorful. This is a nails. It's nail gel. Oh my god. Okay, this is product 14, and yeah, it's written 14. And this is what, a miracle balm with 2000. Well, okay, I think it's for hair. That's for hair, guys. Wow, look at that. But I think some of these products are minis and full one. Okay, so that's 14. Over to 15. So this is product 15, and this is a moment of, well, I don't know. So I'm gonna go ahead with, this is a shower gel. That's beautiful. So 16, moving over to product 16. Can I find it? Where am I going to find it? I'm looking for it. Now I found it. So this is product 16 inside here. Wow, this is eye pens, Yves Rocher eye pens. Oh my god, that's so cute. That's so beautiful. This is what is written. So this is 16, and product 17. Got it. Here it is, guys. And this is a lips as beautiful as they nourish. Let's see who is the, oh my god, this should be lip gloss. I think that's lip gloss. Beautiful. Number 18. Remember we said 24, so this is 18th product, and this is with organic marigold. So let's see. Oh yeah, this is also a mask. Yeah, It's a mask, guys. Okay, I already have these masks. I'm heading over to product 19. Got it. So this is product 19, and this here is Radiant Skin Upon Waking Up. I think is for sleeping care. That's sleeping care, but that's the mini. That's product 19. Where is product 20? I can't find 20. Oh my god, all these numbers are so confusing. Like, I'm looking for product 20 here. Okay, I saw product 20. So this is product 20 here, and this is a journey of 1,000 colors. Let's see what that is. Oh, it's another kind of little perfume too. So let's move ahead with product 21. This is product 21 here, and this right here is sustainable source share. This here is a body lotion too. That's great. Beautiful. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. So 22, we have 22, and that is Pamper Yourself, Pamper Your Hair. This is hair care for hair damage. So 23, so here we have a relaxing moment for hand. I think this should be hand cream, and this is product 23. This should be a hand cream, I guess. Yeah, that's a hand cream, but anyways, it's beautiful though. So let's go over to product 24, which is the last product. That's what I'm looking for now. I'm just looking for it. Okay, where can I find it? Here we have it. So this is product 24. This is natural. So let's move ahead. Oh my god, this is mascara. Oh my god, this is mascara, guys. I'm so excited. Like, I wanted to order a different kind of brand mascara, but here I am. I'm not ordering it again. Okay, I am not ordering again. I now have my hands on Yves Rocher mascara. Oh, so guys, that's basically what we have inside this package. We have package 1 to 24, and that is what I decided to share with you guys. And I hope you all enjoy watching this, and if you do, please just make sure you subscribe, like, and comment, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.